27-year exile, the BJP is set to storm back to power in Delhi, sweeping out the Aam Aadmi Party after a decade-long reign and unseating top leaders like Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia. BJP this time too campaigned without declaring a chief ministerial face, and now it will have several contenders for the post. While the BJP remains tight-lipped on its CM pick, here are the 5 probable names the party might consider for the top job in the national capital. Parvez Sahib Singh Varma has emerged as a front-runner for the CM's position, as he defeated the AAP chief and former Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal from New Delhi seat. Not just Kejriwal, Varma also defeated Congress's Sandeep Dixit, who is the son of former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dixit. The status of giant slayer will boost his chances to become the next Delhi CM. Varma is the son of former Delhi Chief Minister Sahib Singh Varma, and he has been a 2-time MP from the West Delhi constituency. The firebrand leader's remarks have often sparked controversies, including during the Shaheen Bagh protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, the National Register of Citizens and the National Population Register. Mr. Varma had said that the demonstrators would be cleared in an hour if the BJP came to power in the national capital. Daughter of late Foreign Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj, Basuri Swaraj, a first-time MP from New Delhi, has quickly made a name for herself in the BJP. Contesting from a historic seat once held by Atal Bihari Vajpayee and L.K. Advani, she has been given a high-profile political launch. A lawyer, she was appointed the head of the Delhi BJP's legal cell in 2023 and then named the candidate from the New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency, replacing the incumbent MP and Union Minister Meenakshi Lekhi. With her growing influence, she is emerging as a strong contender for the CM's role. Dushyant Gautam can be another pick for the Delhi CM role. A National General Secretary and former Rajya Sabha MP, he is contested from the Karol Bagh constituency against the AAP's Vishesh Ravi, who has won the seat 3 times since 2013. Serving as the Delhi BJP working president since 2022, and appointed the full-time president in 2023, Virendra Sachdeva will get a lot of credit for keeping factionalism in check and bringing the party to power in the capital for the first time since 1998. Facing an uphill task, Mr. Sachdeva has always projected confidence that the BJP would form a government in Delhi, and he can also be a strong contender for the Delhi CM pick. Satish Upadhyay, former president of the BJP Delhi unit, has held various positions in the party over the last 3 decades. He contested the Delhi Assembly elections from the Malviya Nagar seat. Upadhyay also won against AAP's Somnath Bharti. Well, the BJP has a history of selecting unexpected leaders for key positions. In 2023, the party surprised many by bypassing seasoned leaders in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, and instead selecting individuals like Mohan Yadav, Bhajan Lal Sharma and Vishnu Dev Sai respectively. These out-of-the-box choices help balance caste and class equations while also projecting fresh leadership. BJP could take a similar surprise route in Delhi too, choosing a lesser-known but strategic candidate. Well, hope you found this video informative, and for more such content, keep watching NDTV.